So JSW Infrastructure had a lot of hype when its IPO was launched, and the good thing is that it did stand up to its hype, and till today in less than 9 months it has already given more than 90% return. But the confusion is that it went sideways for a while, it was going up for a while, and this is the main cause which has caused some distress among the investors, and they are really confused about the proper entry point. So in this video I am going to do the price action analysis of JSW Infra, and I will give you a hint if this is a good time to make an entry in this stock or not. But please be careful that this is not a buy and sell recommendation video at all. This is just for educational and informational purpose. You can utilize the knowledge that I am going to share in this video and use it in your own risk analysis, stock analysis, and then invest based on your choice, right? So with that said, let's get started. Okay, so this is JSW Infrastructure, and you must be wondering what this black line is. Okay, so this black line is actually the anchor viewer point I have drawn. Okay, so I set the point here. Okay, and you can see this line that it created was acting as a resistance for quite some time. Okay, then slowly it did give a breakout above that, and after that it turned into support. Okay, here we get to see one piercing pattern. Okay, then here it is clearly acting as support, and now it is way above the black line. Okay, now along with this we are going to use some other tools which will help us in understanding if the uptrend has started or it is about to start. Okay, so for now we are sure that the earlier resistance has turned into support. Okay, and let me also draw one support resistance line here. This is actually a zone, but I am drawing a line. Okay, this is a zone, and if I draw two lines, within that is the support resistance zone. Okay, so let's keep it simple. I will just draw one line here. Okay, and I am putting it here in the middle somewhere. Right now we have to see where the 50 days moving average is, if it is providing support to the price action right now or not. Then we'll use the fibs retracement tool as well. Okay, so if I use the 50 days EMA, you can see it is clearly giving support to the current price action of the stock, and you can see a crossover has already happened between the anchored VWAP and the 50 days EMA. Okay, which is a very good thing, and it indicates a strong uptrend, a strong rally is in formation. Okay, and that is what we are getting to see here. So if we just do the analysis of the raw price action, okay, you can see this clear pattern forming here. Okay, and this is the break of the nearest resistance, and the stock has already gone up by almost 5% today on the date of recording, 17th May. Okay, now along with this we have to see if this level from where the stock actually started the U-turn, okay, in the upward direction, is actually a point which is really important or not. So for that I am going to use the fibs retracement tool. Let me hide the 50 days EMA. Okay, and let me delete this line as well. Okay, so that we do not get confused. Okay, now I am going to use the 50 EMA. Okay, and you can see I have used this as the low point, this as the high point, and as I already mentioned, this is the piercing pattern which is clearly indicating strong bullish momentum has started. Okay, after that the stock is staying above this one, and you can see this area where the stock finally bounced off is the 50% fibs retracement level. Okay, 243.70, so 245, let's say, rounded up. Okay, from there it started the U-turn, and along with that it has already gone up above the anchored VWAP point. Along with that it has started using the 50 EMA as its support. Okay, so multiple factors are aligning, and this area right here is called the area of confluence, and this is where we should make entries in stock normally. Okay, that is the best price and the best place where you can make an entry. Why is that? Because multiple factors are aligning, which is justifying that this is the U-turn point. Okay, and if we make entry there, we will get the we will be able to grab the stock at the ideal price, after which the rally starts in a very short amount of time, or in fact immediately in certain cases as well. Okay, if you have been watching my videos on this channel, then you know how many stocks we have spotted on this channel which immediately gave breakout after I made the video. Okay, Data Patterns, Bharat Electronics, IRFC, Electric Intake, many more. Okay, and JSW Infrastructure is going to be one of them, that is for sure. Okay, but please remember that this is not a stock recommendation video. This is just an analysis. You can learn the approach that I am using in order to analyze the stock using price action, okay, which will be helpful in deciding if you want to invest in the stock or not. Okay, so coming back to the topic, the area of confluence is here only around this 245 to 50 level, and the stock has already gone up today. So for the final time, let's check the momentum indicators, and I am using the MACD and RSI indicator. So let us first focus on the MACD, and we have already seen one crossover here, and the lines are staying above the middle line, the zero line, okay, clearly indicating that the stock is currently in bullish price action. Okay, it is in uptrend. This is the MACD. Now let's check RSI. Okay, so I will drag this one, and the RSI indicator is clearly showing that the stock went up and down, bounced, and from here it has started using this middle line, that is the moving average line, 14 period simple moving average RSI. Okay, that line as its support, and it has gone up above the 60. So the clear indication of beginning of a new trend. So in simple words, it's an ideal point for making an entry if you are an interested investor. Okay, now if you are a swing trader and you want to invest in the stock and you want to get some quick profit out of it, then what should be your target? So in that case, I am going to give you some nearest target levels. Okay, it is up to you if you want to exit there or not. And the first target will be the middle level of these two. Okay, 141 and 161%. That will be, let's say, 310. Okay, 310 will be your first target, and the second target will be the 200%, that is the 341, or you can do 350 as well, not a problem. Okay, if you are making an entry right now at the price of 270, let's say, so here you are getting around 14 to 15% profit here, and if you are exiting here, you are getting around 26, so 25% profit. So not a bad return. So this is just for swing traders. But let's say if you are a positional trader or an investor and you want more returns out of this stock, then definitely you can hold this stock as long as it is above the 50 days EML. Which is the 50 days EML? Let me just remove the pivot retracement tool and show you again. This blue line is the 50 EMA. As long as it is above the 50 EMA, you can stay with it. When the 50 EMA starts turning downwards, okay, and the stock starts using it as a resistance, then you can exit. Okay, or it's up to you if you want to make partial exit at the profit of 25-30% and the remaining profit after it breaks the 50 EMA. Okay, it is up to you. Okay, so this was the price action analysis update on JSW Infra, and I hope this video was helpful and informative. If it was, please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already, and also check my other channel Financial Affairs, where I do the analysis in Hindi, and the content there is different from what I post here. You will find the link in the description section. Please go and check that one out, and also consider joining the Financial Impulse membership community, where you will get more stock analysis. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.